Okay, we're just going to have a look at programming for Circuit Wizard. I've got my PowerPoint open here. Just looking at the configuration of different bulbs. What we want to do is go to Circuit Wizard, File, Open. That's incorrect, sorry. File, New. We want to go down to a Circuit Wizard with Genie Flowchart, not Basic. Okay, and that will give us the flowchart tab down the bottom. And indeed, that is the one that we want to open. What I would suggest you do with this is make it as big as possible. So I'm going to put it right the way out to my screen, just so I've got a lot of space. What I quite like to do as well is go to Page Setup, and I prefer to program for this in Landscape. That's looking nice. Right, when you start off, the start function will be there. If it's not there for any reason, you can just drag it in from over here. But what are we doing first? Well, we're asking if that input is high, if that push to make has been pressed. If that push to make has been pressed, what we want to happen is we want it to create a random variable using the random function. Now this is always a little bit difficult to find, but here it is. There we go. So start, create a random, start, has push to make been pressed? Yes, it has. Therefore, we're going to create a random variable. We set the random variable by double clicking, and the random variable is going to be called A, and the range of A is going to be, surprisingly, between 1 and 6. There we go. Right, this is it up there, can you see, from 1 to 6. What happens if the push to make hasn't been pressed? Well, go back around to the beginning again. So we've got a loop. What we haven't done is told the computer which input we're looking for. And why don't we do G1? So what it's saying here, 1 is high, 0 is low. So we've got to have it on 1. So is G1 on? Yes, it goes down. No, it goes round and round and round until it is pressed. Right, it creates a random variable between 1 and 6. Right, next up what we're going to do, we're going to use a compare function. We're going to put compare function over here, and we're going to ask the question, does, double click, mathematical, does A equal 1? Does A equal 1? Well, if A does equal 1, then one of the outputs needs to go high, because we need to light up one of the LEDs, or one of the set of LEDs. So if it goes high, right, what's happened here? Presently, what I haven't done, you're using a Genie 08 opposed to the Genie 14. So it's better to show you how to do that. You've got to pop up here, and if you go right down to the bottom, can you see that we've got the Genie 08 in there? So that's got less outputs and less inputs, I should have realised. So now we're using the Genie 14. So I selected the Genie 14. If I pop back over here, I can see that I've got a lot more inputs and a lot more outputs. So my output, that's 0 there. My output 1 is going to go high. Right. I'm also going to put a wait command in here, excuse me, of half a second. So Q1 goes high for half a second. Of course, once Q1 has gone high for half a second, we've got to turn it off. So then Q1 goes low. Great. And once Q1 has gone low, what we can do is take this all the way around to the beginning. Alright, random A, we go in there. Alright, so compare A equals 1, goes high for half a second, goes low, goes back around. Now what I can do is I can copy and I can paste. That, however, is incorrect, and so is that. There we are. Copy and paste. Paste. paste, paste. What I'm not fond of is I'd like to move that across one more. So that. Alright, lovely. Now, here I'm going to change the variable. Opposed to 1, I'm going to change it to 2. And opposed to Q1 going high, Q2 is going to go high. Just turn that one off. And if Q2 goes high, of course, Q2 has to go low. And once it's done that, it can then go down to this. And of course, what I haven't done is link these up. Yes, A does equal 1 if the value random variable is 1, but if it doesn't, we've got the no command going on there. So just like you did before, A equals, what are we going to do? 3 for this one. Now what goes high? Well, it's not Q3 going high this time, it's Q1 and Q2 going high. So equally well, Q1 and Q2, oh, I've done it wrong, need to go low. They've gone low, and that goes down. And if we can get it on there. So let's just finish off this. A equals 4. If you wanted to fast forward on this bit, I don't blame you, but I'll just talk it through for those people that want to hear it. Okay, so we're on 4. So we've got Q1 off, Q2 on, Q3 on. Excellent. And so we've got to turn that. And those 3 are off. And Q2 and Q3. This one is 5. So change that over. Okay. This one is going to be, well, 5's got 1 in the middle, so that needs to be on. Q2 needs to be on, and Q3 needs to be on. Okay, and then we want to say Q1 must be on, 2 off, sorry. So that's going low. And finally, we're asking the question, does A equal 6? Okay, if it does equal 6, Q1 is not going to be on, but Q2 is going to be on, 3 is going to be on, and 4 is going to be on. Excellent. And equally Q2, 3, and 4 have to go off. So now let's just join these up to the bottom. And this one like so, and that one like so. Right, we've got all the yes commands at the bottom, so the no commands go across. Okay, and again, this is what I was talking about earlier on. Yes goes down. It's got to be one of these, but the program has to have a no function on that. Not sure what's going on there. And I think that is it. Okay, let's just check it. Let's play it. Okay, G1. Let's put G1 on. And it's selecting, and it's this one. So that was 4 that time. That's 3 that time. So you can see that the program works. Fantastic. Hope you've enjoyed it. Why don't you go and load up Circuit Wizard now and get cracking.